Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is day 30 of Junk Journal July, and I'm here to complete the prompt called Shine number 30. Right, my junk journal is so full. I have never ever actually finished a full journal, but because of these prompts it's been amazing. So I had already planned a spot for my number 30 because I was worried that I might run out of space. I love this page. The William Morris and the KFC art on the walls. Love it. Anyway, okay, so I have a place with the ugly numbers. I just wanted to mark them for myself, but I don't really want to put much more in here. And also my room was so messy this morning I couldn't find this journal, so I wrote a poem instead. Made some ink marks by accident. I'm making a lot of noise, sorry. So now excuse me, I have a dilemma. Do I type this up because I wrote a poem? I went on to Pinterest to look for quotes about Shine, and they were all like too sweet and too cheesy for me, those that I found. But I found one of them mentioned Broken Brilliance, and that really resonated with me currently. So I just started writing. I wrote it all up. So the question now is, do I type it up the way I did the epic poem for the prompt poetic, or do I just leave it here? Because, or actually, I could cut it out. Couldn't I? I could cut it out, and then here, my parents. I seem to be making a lot of this sound today. Right, so I could cut it out, and it could go in here because it's a junk journal, and it does not have to look amazing. So let's do that instead. I don't know if I'm brave enough to actually read it out for everyone to hear. Alright. Okay, actually I'm going to read it, and then you can edit it out if you don't like it. It's called Broken Brilliance. Even in your broken brilliance, tiny fragments scattered loose, nothing left of well-built armor, only memories of you being strong and smart and striving. Justifying being loved. Or maybe I need to type it up because I can't actually read it. Yeah. Okay, so it turns out it didn't record any of the sticking. Okay, so I just took a bit of tea-dyed bedsheet, made a ribbon, stuck it down, and then did a concertina fold. But because I changed the direction, now I have to refold it all. I love all the typos, but I'm not going to do it again. I am allowing imperfections. I just don't want black. Black seems too harsh for the page. And for her. Or purple, actually. Women's lip. Yep. thank you if you're still here. Thank you very much for joining me. Here is the page we made today. It looks great, I think. Anyway, I'm so modest. And it sounds great. And it has toys. I love the concertina. Whee! Oh, I could draw all over here if I wanted to. Okay. And let's tuck her safely away. Thank you, Maya, for being my inspiration. Go. Alright, and the contrast page is also here, so it's a different frame. This is gold, this is like a bronzy one. That was my original idea. Okay, thank you, and see you in my next one.